Good evening, everybody. It's Sunday evening, and we have the Dow, and we started the reversal here on Thanksgiving. And yes, we are still very overbought. Um, when we were at the highs over here at 28.90, now we're over here and we're at 28.096. As we go through the opening bell tomorrow morning, we'll have a gap open up as a counter gap from Thursday or Friday's half a trading day in that overbought zone. We are starting to turn now, and we are. Let me show you this. I was going to put it up on the weekly. I did that just very quickly. So one of the things that we can say at the very moment is that on that percent K and that percent D, we've already started to turn, and we did because of how overbought that we really are. And we can have these counter gaps that have a reversal day, and then you come back up in the gap and they can stay in that overbought level. It's just a matter of time. It's a timing mechanism that we're in right now. And it's going to take a lot to move these exchanges higher. It is possible, as we've said many times, in volatility, like volatility counter gaps. So we'll have a gap open up in the morning. We'll continue to look at the overbought processes. We will say that it's very hard to buy stocks when it's very complacent. The fear factor is very low. The bulk of the run, we're starting 12/1. December 1st is right now, a new trading month, last month of the year, and they got, a 7 week rally out of the market. So basically, once again, we did have a 112-point drop because we were that overbought on Friday, on Thanksgiving holiday weekend, Friday half a day. So we can see a gap up, test those resistance levels, and then see if we immediately start to fill from there. But the caution is we're still in that overbought, and it can happen with the gap open up in the futures, the headline events, the Chinese events, and whatnot. It's a brief update just to let you know what this topping in an overbought market is. And it's still in that area. And when there is going to be a bigger pullback, it starts with a bigger down day with the gap down, which was what we had. Now we can see where we can gap open up in the morning and come right back into those highs. And those highs were 28.90, 28.090. We're currently at this area, which is not very far away, in that resistance area that we're going to hit. There can be a blow off top. They're called blow off tops, and overbought markets are predefined as a blow off top in volatility. And then the next day you would look for a reversal to confirm it. So once again, all of my fellow members, 11,200 of you, people around the world, is that we're going in an overbought. Dow Jones, the rest of the indexes in the U.S. are in that process, and there is a process to overbought markets and whatnot. Volume will be another key factor, but beware. Buying at the highs can be very, very dangerous, and the volatility is here on the Dow. So that's how a topping process and overbought markets work. Dow was down 112 points on Friday, and we'll see how strong it will be with that gap or if the sellers hit the market.